Hey Jared. So looking at your website, it actually looks like you got quite a lot of content, which is sweet. Google loves content, so the more content, the better. Plugging into here, it looks like you got 1,074 keyword or words, which is good. I like to see at least 1,000. And the more content, the better. Um, you know, uh, Google loves content. Also, make sure you have keywords organically in the content. Another thing, these images. When we go to save them, you'd want this to be saved as a keyword. So you'd want it to be carpet cleaning, uh, Birmingham, Alabama, or whatever keyword you want to be ranking for on Google. Going here, I've typed in carpet cleaning, Birmingham. This is the ads for Google. These ones are the little more, you have to be verified by Google to have these ones. Um, and then you have the other keywords here. Looks like this guy's got two ads. He's also the top on the GMB and the top of the organic here. So this guy's doing a lot of advertising. But let's grab him. This is his website. That's what it looks like. He could add more content. He doesn't have a ton of content. He only has 573 words. So that's good for you because he doesn't have as much content. Checking out what his images are saved as. He doesn't save them right either. So that's good for you. Um, but the tool we can use is Ahrefs I like to use. Putting you in here, you'll see you don't have anything up here. You don't have any keywords you're ranking for or backlinks or referring domains. But we test. I don't have your competitor here, so let's grab them real fast. Let's see. My bad. I meant to put them up here before I started the screencast. But here we go. Putting them in. He's got a UR of 24, DR of 10, 351 backlinks, 51 referring domains, 453 organic keywords. So he could do more backlinks, but not too bad for right now. We can come in here and see what backlinks he has, go after the same ones. This one, 29, 23, pretty high for both of those. It's not too bad. It's a do follow, so we can see what it is, how he got it. Click on it, see where he's at. That's just from his website, so that obviously doesn't help us. He's just linking to himself, I think. Let's see. Yeah. So he's just linking back to himself with that one. So that just interlink. But we can come in here and see ones that are not from him. So let's see this one. Let's see where that one's coming from. So he's got it right here. I'm not sure. He probably pays for that. It's probably a directory or something, but or advertisement or a coupon maybe, but I'm sure he's paying to have this here. He's probably paying. Yeah, these three people are all probably paying. So if you were to want that that backlink, it's not a bad one to have. Here it is. 14's a little on the lower side, but it's not too bad. I grab that one. You'd want to make sure it's specific to your industry. So you'd want carpet cleaning or other industries like that. So the cleaning industries. And then you also don't want it to be spammy, so you won't want low ones. Ways to get backlinks. We can get the ones a competitor does. Go get other competitors and just grab a whole bunch that way. You can also go do guest posts. You can get blogs. You can get blog commenting. You can get sponsors, like the one we saw. You can get news articles written about you with a backlink to your website. And there's other ones you can get as well. Let's go into the keywords, see what he's ranking for. Carpet cleaning, Birmingham, Alabama is his top one. 150 people searched that. Katie's 21, so it's a little hard to rank for that. But he's got first. He's got all these first ones. You'll see he gets about a third of the traffic from this one, and same with that one. When you're in the first spot, you can this all looks about right. You get about a third of the traffic being in that number one spot. This one he's actually getting a little bit more, so that's nice for him. But yeah, this guy's got his keywords all set up nice, and he's ranking really nice for them. This guy's probably spending a lot of money to get these spots. We could go after these ones, or we can go after them all. KD is not terrible. It's going to take a lot. It's going to take some time to get to beat him with these, and to get on the first page. But all in all, it's not too bad. But we can come down here and find like this one, carpet cleaning, Tuscaloosa, Alabama. If you service that area, 90 volume, 1 KD. So that would be a super easy one to grab. So we can come in here and go after that one. Make sure find these ones that are kind of lower on the KD. We wouldn't want that one's only 10 volume and it's higher KD, so we'd probably skip that one. Chelsea, I don't know if you service that area, but that's super easy to get. 60 volume, carpet cleaning, Tuscaloosa. So yeah, I'd definitely go to Tuscaloosa's got a pretty easy spot to grab. It looks like there's quite a bit of volume. So right there, 100 and 160, 250 just with those three. And there's a safe dry. There's another 30 if you want. If you do Birmingham. There's another 10 right there with that one. We can just come down here and find all the ones that we really like, and that have go after low KD as well. We can go for the higher ones, but it just it takes longer to get. Here's upholstery cleaning. You can grab those too if you do upholstery. But we can check out all the ones that he has and go through all those 9 pages that he's ranking for. And then we can go check out other competitors, see what they're ranking for as well. Next thing is the GMB. If you don't have one, set one up. It's free to do. You just got to verify yourself with Google, a postcard. Make sure you set it up 100%. Don't skip steps. And then put as many photos as you can. The photos are the content for the GMB. The next is citations. This guy, he only has 17 citations, not a lot. Citations are just directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp. Facebook you can get. YouTube can even give you one. There's a whole bunch of them out there. A lot of free ones out there. There's thousands of different directories out there. But we can come in here, grab the ones that he has, grab ones that we want, go out to Google, find a whole bunch of them, find other competitors, see what ones they have, and just grab a whole bunch of them. It's pretty easy to do. It's just time consuming. You want to make sure that the name of your GMB is the name you're using for the directory, and the phone number is the same, and the location as well. And then you can get ranking in the GMB. Hopefully all that helps. If you want, we can talk, accept a phone call or a video call. You're welcome to do whatever you want, though. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a good rest of your day.